Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have site owner or editor rights so you can publish. This saves wasted effort later. Once confirmed, open the site home and click New, then News Post to begin the process. Choose a page template that matches your layout goals and add a clear title plus a high-impact lead image to hook readers. Make sure to set the audience targeting if needed. Doing these first steps sets a solid foundation and prevents rework. Now you build the story, add sections and pick web parts for text, image, highlights, and embeds to structure content. Use metadata fields, author, publish date, and tags because they improve search and filtering. Audience targeting narrows who sees the post. Once content is in place, use the preview mode to check responsiveness and accessibility. Save a draft, adjust page properties, and confirm links. These middle steps ensure the post looks professional and reaches the right people. When ready, click Publish, choose to notify people or schedule a release. This delivers immediate visibility and control. After publishing, monitor post analytics to see engagement and edit or republish updates when facts change. If something goes wrong, for example the news item doesn't appear, check permissions first because restricted access is a common cause. Next, clear browser cache and verify audience targeting. If issues persist, revert to draft and retrace steps, ensuring metadata and page setting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.